Assalamu alaikum. Firstly, warm greetings from InfoVid Update. Okay, today we discuss about how to uh, how to this PC or my computer you came into your desktop. Okay, so for this purpose you have to go just open your window, then right click and click on personalize. The personalize clicking, you can see here's some um, tab just like theme, lock screen, color, etc. Just click on theme. When you click on theme, then you can find there are several items. Just scroll down and find out the desktop icon setting. Okay, just click on desktop icon setting. Then you can find here which item you now find on your desktop. It may be I click on my computer and recycle bin. You can click on it. If you click on it, then it will be show as this PC or my computer in your system. If you uncheck it, then it never show this PC or my computer in your desktop. To show you this PC or other item on your PC, just click on icon, then just I show you that control panel I want to and network I want to in my desktop, so that I click on that, and my computer also, then click on apply and okay. So now I find the control panel and network in my system desktop. Okay, if you don't want it, just personalize theme, then find out desktop icon setting, uncheck it. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching.